Beth Hobart with Mainframe Real Estate, and today I'm coming to you from 2419 Weber Street, a beautifully upgraded 3-bedroom, 2-bath home in the Colonialtown North, Audubon Park area, situated on over 1/4 of an acre with views of Lake Druid and with deeded lake access. This home features a gorgeous new kitchen, a great split floor plan with lots of natural light, and an oversized primary bedroom with a large walk-in closet. And the yard, it's perfect for your morning coffee. It's fenced and private with a large deck, a custom bar, a playground, garden beds, 2 sheds for storage, and so much more. I cannot wait to show you more of this special home. So follow me. For more information on this listing and other listings that I have available, please feel free to contact me. My name is Beth Hobart. I'm one of the top realtors in Central Florida, and I'm here to help.